Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, and in this video, I will show you on how to clear your Copilot activity or search history in your Copilot. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your Startup menu. Then after click on your Startup menu, go ahead and click on Settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down right here, go ahead and click on Location. Under Apps and Permissions, scroll down right here, go ahead and click on Privacy Dashboard. Then it's going to redirect and take you to web page right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Sign In. Then go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. So I'm going to enter my Microsoft password right here. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Copilot right here. Go ahead and click on Copilot. So when you click on Copilot, then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Continue to scroll down where you have Delete All Activity History. Go ahead and click on that. Are you sure you want to clear your Copilot history? Go ahead and click on Clear, and everything will be clear from your previous search history or your chat with Copilot. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tips like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.